In part 2, we are going to look at something that is very special. We are going to look at the alphabet sounds. Alphabet sounds. This is very important for you. Make sure you practice with me. Speak after me, and then you try to memorize these sounds. Let us start. So this sound is A, B, K, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, O, X, Y, Z. Those are the alphabet sounds. Repeat the sound. Repeat the alphabet sounds. Repeat the alphabet sounds. Make sure you play the video again and read after me. Make sure you memorize those sounds. They will help you as we continue with this course.